I'm ready to investigate the incident now. The only thing that's missing is an assistant. Mutlu, wake up quick. We have something important to do with you.
What? How's that? I accomplished my task, sis. I already found the book and gave it to Zuzu.
No, the case is not about the book now. It's about the strawberry now. And we need to learn what happened to that strawberry.
And so then, what did we become now?
Detectives, of course, and you will be my trusty sidekick. We'll now question everyone to find out who took that strawberry.
I'm good to go, sis. Let's catch the person who took that strawberry.
Where is Neşe, Mutlu? Why are you drawing a line with a tape on the door?
Listen, you will call me Sidekick Mutlu from now on. Please step back. There is nothing to see here.
What happened? Oh my! Where is the strawberry on that cake? Wait up! Wait up!
Wait! You can't go in there!
Yes.
I think it couldn't have gone too far.
It couldn't?
We have a hard case on our hands. It could be anyone in this house, even you, Miss Zuzu.
Where were you at 12:30 p.m.?
Did you take the strawberry?
Do you have a witness? Tell me, where were you at 1 o'clock?
I was with you all day, Neşe. We looked for the book in your room and couldn't find it. You told Mutlu about it, then he found it and returned
Yes, right.
it.
She was with me. We need to take her out of my suspect list, Mr. Sidekick.
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Uh-huh, I just knew it. Every criminal returns to the crime scene.
So, you two, where were you at 4?
I don't know. I don't think it's 4 o'clock yet, Mutlu.
Oh, did you only eat the strawberry off this cake, Neşe?
We are investigating that. The strawberry has apparently been stolen.
You know, I think the butler did it.
The butler? But there's no butler in this house.
There is a butler. Yumak is the butler.
We need to talk to Yumak right away.
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside